Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about thermostat for Bloomfield part #2T-38968. The thermostat for Wells part #2T-38968 is a temperature control device designed to regulate the temperature of a hot water heater. It is typically installed on the side of the tank and is connected to a thermostat switch that controls the heating element. The thermostat has two settings, one for high and one for low. When set to high, it will turn on the heating element when the water temperature drops below a certain level and turn it off when it reaches a certain level. When set to low, it will turn off the heating element when the water temperature. This part fixes the following symptoms. This thermostat is designed to regulate the temperature of a water heater. It can help to prevent the water from becoming too hot or too cold, and can also help to reduce energy costs by ensuring that the water heater is not running unnecessarily. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the heating system at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall and disconnect all wires. 3. Install the new thermostat baseplate to the wall using appropriate screws or anchors for your wall type. 4. Connect all wires to their corresponding terminals on the new thermostat according to the wiring diagram provided with your Wells part #2T-38968. Thermostat. 5. Securely fasten all wires with wire nuts and wrap an electrical tape for safety. 6. Mount the thermostat onto its baseplate and insert bat. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.